Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about my new toy. Is the DJI Mavic Mini. Um, I bought it this morning from OfferUp for about $350. The gentleman who sold it to me bought it about 7 days ago from Walmart. He gave me the gift receipt as well. So I brought it home, playing with it, and fly it, and everything works out good. The thing looks like brand new. However, I usually want to buy insurance for this thing, so I went into the chat and I asked one of the representative um, to see if I can buy them, and it turns out that they have a requirement where you can only buy them like within 48 hours of the activation of the drone itself. Since this is the fact that it's more than 48 hours, it's been 7 days already. The rep sent me like a link and asked me to. This is the requirement that we need to do a video about drone to make sure that that is in working conditions before they can approve for us to get the insurance. It's called DJI Refresh for $39 for 1 year. And there's another one for DJI Refresh Plus for $35. So I was asking the rep, what is the difference? And he explained it to me. The first one is for 1 year, which is the $39. But before the $39 expire or ends, we can buy the Refresh Plus. So then that's going to give us for $35. So that's going to bring into 2 years of warranty. And but after that, you cannot buy any more extended warranty through them. Okay. So, and here is the list of things that we must do in the video. And then he provided me with a link where I need to upload my name and the serial number of the drone itself, and the link where they can review our video. So the good thing is we don't have to upload it to their website. We just need to upload it to wherever a link. So in my case, I have a YouTube channel, so I upload it to the YouTube, and I just provided the link. But look how much they're asking for us here. That's a lot. So imagine if somebody who's older, they're not familiar with this, they wouldn't be able to do this. So, for example, look at this is what we have to do. Show aircraft, remote controller, DJI Go app in the same shoot. Shoot your video in bright and open outdoor area. Ensure video is clear and in focus. Do not edit your video. And they want your serial number, blah, blah, blah. And they talk about Phantom. Mine is the Mini, so it doesn't have this much. It's only $400, and I bought it for $350. Okay. So, but there's a lot of things to do. So I just made a quick video. I provided the serial number. I had my wife record it, everything. So, I might as well upload that video so you guys can see what I did. And they said that it's going to take about 3 days for them to review it and then reply back to me with an email whether I'm approved to get the refresh. But that's pretty much it about this video. And then, like I said, if you're not familiar with the drone itself, here it is. I just got the basic one. There's no combo, but so far the footage for this one, it's excellent. I love it. So, and I try to check to see on eBay and others website to see if they sell like any other like batteries at a lower price. And actually, I couldn't find any. There's only maybe one or two sellers that do sell like the the extra batteries and the charger, but they're selling for like $180 when the manufacturers only ask for $100 more. So if you're looking into buying a drone, a Mini, I suggest you get the combo. Okay, that way you have extra battery, you get the case, and a whole bunch of other goodies, the propeller. But I'll be flying this hopefully really safe and knock on wood, not gonna crash for the next 3 days, so they can then review it and hopefully they'll approve it as well. But other than that, that's it. You guys have any questions? Go ahead and leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.